Melaleuca Wellness Company operates a legal MLM or network marketing business. And when people kind of say this, they're not considering is Melaleuca a cult? Well, in today's Reddit post review, we're going to talk about and go over a woman who asked the question. And so as you can see in the Reddit post, which will be in the link in the description below, the title says here, "What is the deal with Melaleuca?" And this is Melaleuca, the wellness company. Is it a cult? I got added to a group on Facebook, and the way these people are so desperate makes the whole thing seem disgusting. Very strong words, but this is the anti-MLM thread. If you've watched any of my previous videos on this kind of topics, it's really great to get perspective, to see the other side, and to also kind of have a reasonable response as well, and I think that's important. And what they ask is, what is the deal with Melaleuca? Is it a cult? I got added to a group on Facebook, and the way these people are so desperate seems scary culty. The director is constantly talking about how successful she is, and it seems... The director is constantly talking about how successful she is, and it seems like it's not so much to grab non-Melaleuca people's attention. It's like they are trying to keep the people that are already signed up under them excited, if that makes sense. Well, I mean, people have lots of different motivations for why they want to do something. Maybe it's for health reasons, maybe it's for time reasons, maybe it's for money reasons, maybe it's for relationship reasons with regards to maybe being able to spend more time with those you care about or help those you care about as well. So it's being able to know what that is and know what motivates people so that you can better, help them. And I think in groups like these, that's, if they mention money, they know a certain percent will be gravitated towards that, and some will be turned off as well. So it just kind of depends. All right, they go on to say, they also tell the people that they get to sign up under them to push and bug the people that they sign up to place a custom order. If you focus on a traditional network marketing business model, it's recruit and sell. And so it's going to be more business opportunity focused and being led with that, versus authentic network marketing, which is focused on teaching and sharing as well as leading with powerful products. And so there should be more of an educational element to authentic network marketing. There may be more of a pressure or hard salesy aspect to traditional network marketing. And so this is important to distinguish. Now that could also be for a company standpoint, but also a culture standpoint or team or individual standpoint. So there's a lot of different kind of like qualifications on that, but that is the principle at work. Because Melaleuca has been around for so long, it's easy to kind of fall into that camp with regards to traditional network marketing. All right, so they go on to say here, Melaleuca has designed the company to not give the upline commission if the person signed up below them that lets their automated backup order run. That's... Oh no, they didn't just cuss up on him. Anyways, they say that's $75 purchase that will just get sucked out of your account if you don't place a custom order that has the value of 35 points. So basically, if you sign 100 people up under you and no one places a custom order, you don't get paid, even if their backup order runs and Melaleuca is making money off these people because of you. Well, in order to kind of verify this, it's important to look at the income disclosure statement, which I'll have a link in the description below, so you can check that out for Melaleuca and kind of what qualifies for commissions and how many people rank advance as well. So it's important to, take these with a grain of salt, but also get the facts and study them yourself. Whether you're in Melaleuca Wellness Company or not, or looking on the fence or outside looking in, it's just important to kind of have more awareness as to how companies pay and, get that information so you have that available. All right, they finally say here, it just seems like a complicated scheme, and the people who are signing its praise all seem like really bizarre characters. Okay, so it's a little bit of a tongue twister here, or whatever that is. Just curious what other people think. And then you got people chiming in the comment section, just chiming in, giving their 2 cents. And one person says, yep, complete scam. One Melaleuca person came on the sub a few weeks ago and it went down exactly as you think, scammers. So the important thing to, I'll have another link in the description below, but the FTC or Federal Trade Commission has defined what is a pyramid scheme or a scam, and basically as long as you're exchanging products for money, then it's legal. If there's recruitment or headcount exchange for money, then it's illegal. Melaleuca Wellness Company operates a legal MLM or network marketing business, And when people kind of say this, they're not considering what the FTC says. They're just looking at, well, you signed up to be a business person and you didn't make money, you got scammed, or you signed up to get some I mean, it's all about mindset and perception, and I think that's oftentimes lost. They don't look at the other side or an authoritative third-party source for that before they come to that conclusion. And so what they're doing is essentially coming to inaccurate conclusions based off of limited information. Alright, well that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit the like button if you did and maybe gain some more perspective. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already done so for future video updates, and check out the links in the description below so you can check out this Reddit post and kind of, read it yourself, look at some of the comments. I think, again, it is important to look at both sides of the coin, whether you're for or against MLMs or network marketing or for or against Melaleuca Wellness Company. It's important to just get the other side and really get that perspective so you can come to accurate conclusions. Other than that, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.